Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find the model number on your Apple Watch 8 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by pressing on the crown button on the side, and we go back to the watch face. On the watch face, press on the crown button. This will take you to the app screen, and on the app screen, swipe across and tap on the settings icon. Next, swipe up to go down, and we want to tap on general, then tap on about, and in here you can tap on the model number to find out. At the moment the model number for this watch is A2770. If you tap on it, it will give you another model number. Now you can see here on my phone here, it shows that for the model A2770 is the 41 millimeter Apple Watch Series 8 GPS. And that's it. So that is how you can find the model number on your Apple Watch 8. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.